hecker, here it is right here.
Yeah, what is?
Well, it says here, on average, a wahine speaks 25,000 words a day, but a tāne only speaks 15,000 words a day.
As per usual, your information is outdated and incorrect, but what is your point?
My point is you talk too much.
What?
Well, you do. You've got to change it up a little bit, you know? Learn another reo.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I'm talking about Tama, your son, my moko. You've got to learn his language, the reo of the grunt.
Okay, I'm listening.
Okay, secret weapon with a teenage boy? Kei. So when you get home and he's sitting on his nono playing with his play junction or whatever it is, you start sending out cooking smells,
Okay,
right? Yeah,
right,
okay,
yeah.
yeah, right. Next minute, he's going to say, excuse me, Mum, what's for tea? Then you say, Tama, your favourite. Kei. Bit of humour there, you see.
Oh, right.
Yeah. My point is that you've connected with your boy without saying too much.
But I want to talk to him. I want to know what he's feeling, what he's worrying about, what's going on.
Yeah. You can when we're all sitting at this table having a kei together.
Okay.
That's when you talk. Mm-hmm. You know he talks with his mouth full.
Oh, no, it drives me crazy.